Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to install and set up Scrape Genius for resellers. First search Scrape Genius and visit our official website scrapegenius.com. Here you need to sign in your reseller account. Now download the starter kit. After downloading the file, simply unzip it. And open unzipped folder. Navigate to lead scraper folder and read the official documentation and follow the installation process to install Scrape Genius on your local computer. You can also watch our tool installation video, link is available in description. Once the installation complete, simply start the tool server and visit the displayed URL. Now sign in your reseller account. Now go to the profile section. Here you need to set up your company's details such as logo, contact details, company name, public product URL such as Google Drive, Dropbox and other. After filling the required fields, simply save the details. Now close the server and visit the tool directory and simply remove the Node Modules folder. After removing Node Modules, go back to the tool's root directory. Now compress this directory as zip file. After compressing, simply rename the zip file according to your product name which you want to give. Now your file is ready to share. You can also upload this file on any public URL such as Google Drive, Dropbox or anywhere. Thank you for watching.